Hello, this is Jamin from Audio Experts, and in this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the Pultec EQ to achieve a heavy bass in a gospel worship song. So let's listen to this bass without a Pultec EQ. And now let's listen with the Pultec EQ. So the Pultec EQ adds to the bass around the 60 hertz area. There is a boost around that area. So you see this low frequency knob here. So you can choose any of this frequency range, but for bass I will either go for 60 hertz or 100 hertz. So let's try these two. Let's try the 60 hertz first. Let's listen to it while I boost it, and then I also attenuate it. So I'm going to bypass it and then bring it in so you can hear what the Pultec EQ is doing to the bass guitar. Now let's change it to the 100 hertz and let's hear the difference. So I just want to overdo it for you to hear what the Pultec EQ is adding to the bass. So you can use this on your worship bass track, and it's going to make the bass heavy. I want you to leave a comment in the comment section below to also know what you think about this plugin on a bass guitar.